During the COVID-19 pandemic, countries from all over the world have relied on various tight border control protocols, from quarantining all travelers to restricting entry from selected nations based on population-level epidemiological metrics such as cases, deaths, and testing positivity rates. As countries have begun to adapt to the pandemic, they attempted to partially lift these border restrictions, not only for tourists but also for the flow of goods and labors. Despite the leniency, every country still needs to test and screen every travelers entering their country based on their control protocols. However, these processes are time-consuming and need a high accuracy level. One way to tackle this problem is by utilizing artificial intelligence, just like what Greece has done. Greece authorities launched eHAC, a system that uses machine learning algorithm to determine which travelers entering the country should do a test for COVID-19. So far, eHAC has been confirmed to be beneficial and more effective compared to modeled counterfactual scenarios. This proves that eHAC or machine learning is more effective to identify asymptomatic infected travelers than just random testing or testing based on travelers' country of origin. So, what if we implement this technology in our country, Indonesia, by deploying big data to improve our health declaration report system eHAC and our testing capacity? Through this innovation, we could test and screen travelers more effectively. Next, how does this innovation work? Arriving passengers must submit their travel and demographic information 24 hours before arrival in eHAC and will be scanned upon arrival. Based on this data and testing results from previous passengers, the system will select a subset of passengers to test. Selected passengers will have to self-isolate for 24 hours to 48 hours while their samples are being processed by the laboratory. Passengers with positive results will have to quarantine, and then the process of contact tracing begins. Meanwhile, passengers with negative results will be allowed to resume their normal activities. The system will use the result to update itself to improve future testing and maintain high-quality estimates of prevalence across traveler subpopulations. Are you ready to tackle the outbreak by utilizing machine learning to improve our eHAC and testing capacity? Let's fight with us!